she and her colleagues in the Dalmatian rescue community were simply drowned out by the tsunami of marketing that comes with a blockbuster Disney film. By January and February, when Americans were tossing out their used-up Christmas trees and returning unwanted toasters at the shopping malls, Dalmatian rescuers were already seeing the spotted puppies flooding into shelters. People had bought them impulsively, and the reality of dog ownership had set in fast. It had taken only a few weeks for Dane's worst fears to come